I want to thank the American people for the extraordinary honor of being elected your 47th president and your 45th president.
Donald Trump finally won. But has he really won? Well, in this edition of Legal News Daily, I'm discussing everything concerning why Donald Trump may actually win or might not win. So, let's go. So, Donald Trump finally won the popular vote in the United States, but there's also something called the electoral vote, or what is called the Electoral College. Now, briefly stated, Electoral College is basically a situation or an event that happens after the popular vote has been done. Now, we look at what's called the popular vote, which is what all of us have been seeing. You know, polls of Florida, Idaho, Cincinnati, New Jersey, New York, you name it. So Trump has won 270 votes and Kamala Harris has won about 89 votes. Well, the Electoral College works like this. If Cincinnati or New Jersey has come up with, like, let's say 1 million votes from Cincinnati or Idaho or New York, then they have what is called a person who carries on their vote. So this person is called an electoral. So this electoral person is the representative of the major votes in Cincinnati or New York. Then that person goes ahead and represents the majority votes in the bigger Electoral College. So Electoral College is like a closed-off meeting or a closed-off situation where every person from the 50 states of the United States who is carrying the major votes goes on ahead to be able to go and represent that, okay, people of Cincinnati have voted Trump, or they have voted Kamala Harris in Idaho, and therefore we think that the person to be voted for should be Trump. So even if Trump has won the larger votes, then we find that still in the Electoral College, still Trump could lose, even if he won in the popular vote. This has happened to around 4 presidents in the past, and it could also happen to Trump, but let's just see where things are going to go. Another legal issue that I will finalize on is that Kamala Harris, even if she again loses in the Electoral College, in the closed door meeting of the Electoral College, she can still go ahead to do what is called a petition. So she can go ahead and do what is called an electoral petition. Electoral petition in Uganda, we've had this so many times, and for you across the world, you've been hearing about electoral petitions or election petitions in your different countries. Well, just know that as a presidential candidate, you can go on and sue in the courts of law. Now in the United States, you'll have to be the federal court where Kamala Harris will be versing Donald Trump to be challenging his voting or his election or winning in the election of 2024 presidential elections. Well, let's just see where things is going to go. If Trump will actually win in the Electoral College, or let's just see whether Kamala Harris will actually turn the tides around and actually win. So, thank you for listening to me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.